Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to make the photo in a soft effect. I downloaded this photo from the internet and I'll give you that download link in my video description. So at first make copy by pressing Ctrl J and then go to the filter and the camera filter, and I will add effect and make a preset for you, and I'll give you in my video description that download link. So exposure, I'll increase the exposure like that, and here most of the thing is the clarity. If you make the clarity like that, so like that, it will be like higher key or lower key, and if you make it like that, then it will be like wormy, that means the fluffy or like that. So highlight, I'll decrease the highlight, and white I'll increase like that, and then blacks I'll decrease the blacks. So after that, from the HSL option, I'll increase the orange color and decrease the saturation like that. So yeah, like that. And the amount of sharpening, okay, here is the luminance, and I'll increase the luminance like this, so it will be soft like that. And the luminance of color reducer, I'll increase like that, and then the orange color I'll add a little bit, and here is the hue of the orange color. You can change it like this or this, so I'll make it +2, that's good. And here is the options in a red, and the hue I'll make red, you can make it like pink, so I'll make it the dark red. The luminance of red you can decrease or increase, but I'll decrease here. The saturation I'll increase a little bit, and here the camera calibration, if I make it like that, so I won't make it, I will make it like this. So saturation of primary blue color I'll make like that, the primary red color, so if I make it like that, it will be more pink, so -4, that's good. The saturation I'll decrease like that. The green, here is the primary green color, if I want to make it like that or like that, so I'll make it a little bit like that, and the saturation will be down. So here the split toning options, you can use that or not. So if you use the split toning, I'll add some saturation, and then the hue, I'll change the hue gradually. So where is the perfect tone, you have to find it out. So I think here 95, 59, and the saturation 18 for the hue, and for the highlight hue and saturation, and the shadow, if you want, you can mix it up like this, that's fine. The perfect balance with these two things. So here the curves, RGB and blue curves, I'll select the blue curves like this, and I'll make it like that. And then the RGB curves, I'll make it like that, and I'll make it give the grammar like that, and yeah, that's fine. So let's see the before one and after one. So huge change you are getting in a skin tone, the color or other stuffs like this, and the hair color, everything. And if you make it more like that, it will be more soft, but don't up like that. So I'll make it -30, that's fine. And the height I'll make it down, and the whites I'll make it up. And the variance, if you want, you can decrease the variance a little bit, so it will be more artistic. Yeah, let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, before situation and after situation. So yeah, that's good. I'll save it for you. I'm just saving the settings. the soft tone. Okay, and hit the OK button. The hues change before one and after one, and then go to the just adjustment layer and the solid color. I'll take the solid color like warm color like this and hit OK and make it the soft light and decrease the opacity like this. So you can adjust this. I'll adjust like that's the good version. So before one and after one, and I think I have to make the balance like that. So I'll go to the gradient map, and from here I'll make the gradient. So I'm deleting this one. Okay, the gradient will be like this red color and then the blue color and hit the OK button, and then I'll make it the light, or you can make it vivid or screen mode and make the opacity down. Okay, you have to change the gradient. I'll make it like this blue color. So yeah, that's good, and make this like okay, and I'll make it the soft light. So soft light is good, and before and after. So I'll down the opacity like this and change the color. Okay, the combination is the warmy color but the soft light, but in this photo, the previous one, it was not like that. So in this photo you are getting all the things, but here you need a little bit sharpness. So select all the things, make it group and make it merge, and press Ctrl J for another copy, and the upper portion or upper layer, make it the vivid light, and go to the filter and other options and the high pass options. From here I'll make it like 1. That's good, and hit the OK button. You're getting the soft look, but it will be like sharper. That means all things are prominent, but that's the soft look. So let's see the before one and the after one. So now I'll apply the Google Nick Collection Color Effects Pro. So I'm just made it group and just made a screenshot like that. Go to the filter, Nick Collection Color Effects Pro. So from the Color Effects Pro, I'll add another effect for the new look. So it's loading. Okay, and then yeah, it's taking time to load itself, the settings or other stuffs. And here I am using the cross processings and lots of method. One of them you can use that, but I'll use this one. And strength I'll make it like around 20% and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it out and give you the best output. So yeah, let's see the before one and the finally after one. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you want to download the preset, you have to check out my video description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment this video. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.